What's going on, everybody? Kyle Powers here with eXp Realty. First off, thanks for checking out the channel. I do appreciate it. Today, we're going to go over what safety concerns or what safety measures that you should be doing or taking advantage of when you're at an open house. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing I'm going to tell you is be aware. Be aware of where you're at, who you're around, what people are in the house, things like that. One way that I'm a male in the real estate industry. I've never really had to think about things like this, but here's the thing about it is that it is a real thing. We've had people local to us, local to Kansas, which is where I'm at, local to Kansas that are really kind of paying attention to a lot of that stuff. Been some bad things happening. Anyway, being aware, paying attention to what's going on, paying attention to what your surroundings are. One thing I do just by rule of thumb is I never let anybody behind me unless I trust them. So going down the stairs, it's pretty easy to knock someone over the head and have them take advantage of you, whether it be taking money or stealing from you or stealing from the house or anything that way. So don't allow people behind you. That's probably my first one. The other thing that I do with my open houses is I always have people sign in. Even if it's just a name, where you're gonna say, well, Kyle, what about, what if they give you a fake name? Well, fair. That's why we do all this other stuff as well. So, paying attention to that stuff. I would always tell my sellers too, just safety wise, this isn't necessarily realtor safety, but what I always tell my sellers as well is just, if anything can easily walk away, pick it up already, put it away, make sure that it can't be seen. And I always kind of wander around the house as well, just kind of making sure if I'm not talking to somebody, I'll follow people around. Not follow is the wrong word, but I will be around so people know that I'm there. So that way it's a lot harder or deters them usually from picking something up and walking away with it. So being aware of that stuff is definitely good to pay attention to. I always park my vehicle in the driveway for two reasons. Number one, make it look like someone's there. And then number two, if I need to get out of there quickly, I'm not running down the street kind of thing. So something to think about. You can either back it in or whatever is safe or whatever you feel best about. But I always do that and I always enjoy those things of it. So not letting people behind you, have the sign in, park your vehicle in the driveway, being ready to go on that one. One of my favorite for two reasons on this one is having an open house partner. It can be a lender, it can be a title company, it can be another real estate agent. Typically, I would always lean towards a lender or a title agent for the main reason being that if I need people to sign in, they can be there to say, hey, please sign in, give us this, give us this. So then we make sure we have the contact information, we have all that kind of stuff. So that's one of the big things that I'll tell you that I've done and have had a lot of success with. The other side of it is, usually those open house partners will help you set up signs. They'll help you set up the house. They'll help you do all of those things. Or they'll bring water or cookies or whatever you want to do and help subsidize a little bit of it so you can get it taken care of that way. So those are a couple tips that I have for safety during an open house. Just kind of pay attention to what's going on. Again, huge proponent for open houses. I love them. I actually thoroughly enjoy them. Still do them to this day, and I've been in the business over 7 years. So I definitely recommend it. Definitely check those out. If you guys have any questions or if you would like to see more information about open houses and I can give you the editable versions, all I need you to do is comment below and I can shoot you a quick email. As always, if you guys have any questions or if you need something, please reach out to me. My cell phone number is 785-477-5485. My email is kyle@homesforsalemhk.com. I do appreciate you guys watching. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out.